Welcomes to Sendram Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about list of India's 10 richest billionaires in 2021. So the number one in the list, number one billionaire Mukesh Ambani. His property net worth is 84.5 billion dollar. He is the businessman and the chairman, managing director and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries. Next, number two, Gautam Adani. His property net worth is $50.5 billion. $50.5 billion. His property net worth. He is the chairman and founder of the Adani Group, Ahmedabad based multinational company. Next, third one. Who is the list? Third, Shiv Nadar. His property net worth is $23.5 billion. He is the chairman of HCL Technologies Limited and Shiv Nadar Foundation. Founded HCL in the mid 1970s and transferred the IT hardware company into the IT enterprises over the next 3 decades. Next, fourth one. Who is the list? Fourth, Radhakishan Tamani. His property net worth is $16.5 billion. He is the Indian billionaire, investor, businessman and the founder of DMart. He is the founder of DMart. Next, in the list, fifth billionaire, Uday Kodak. Uday Kodak. His property net worth is $15.9 billion. So Uday Kodak is an Indian billionaire banker and the executive vice chairman and managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank. He is the founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, in the list, sixth one, Lakshmi Mittal. His property net worth is $14.9 billion. So he is Indian steel magnate based in the United Kingdom. He is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal. The world's largest steel making company, Mittal, owns 38% of ArcelorMittal and holds 20% stock in Queen Park Rangers FC. Next, seventh one, Kumar Birla. His property net worth is $12.8 billion. So he is an Indian billionaire, industrialist and the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, one of the largest conglomerates in India. One of the largest conglomerates in India. Next, eighth one. So Cyrus Poonawalla is the number 8 billionaire in India right now in 2021. His property net worth is $12.7 billion. So he is an Indian businessman and the chairman of Poonawalla Group, which includes Serum Institute of India, the Indian biotech company that manufactures vaccine. Right now, this company providing Covishield vaccine for coronavirus. Next, ninth one. In the list, ninth one, Dilip Sangvi. His property net worth is $10.9 billion. He is an Indian billionaire, businessman and one of the country's richest people. He found Sun Pharmaceuticals. The government of India awarded him the civilian honor of Padma Shri in 2016. India's Today magazine ranked him 8th in India's most powerful people in 2017. He had Padma Shri awards, CNN IBN Indian of the Year in Business. Next, last one in the list, Sunil Mittal and family. So his property net worth is $10.5 billion. So he is an Indian billionaire, entrepreneur, philanthropist and the founder and chairperson of Bharti Enterprises, which has devised interest in telecom, insurance, real estate, education, malls, hospitality, agri and food besides other ventures. Organization founded Bharti Airtel, Bharti Enterprises, Airtel Digital TV, Bharti Foundation, Airtel India. So right now we discussed India's top 10 billionaire in 2021. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends and others, and please subscribe Sendram Academy YouTube channel and please press bell icon of this channel. Whenever we are uploading new videos, you will get notification from this channel. Thanks for watching this video.